Yes, electricity is basically the flow of electrons. That's it, simple definition. Electricity is the flow of electrons. And we are going to follow the law of one genius. Is the genius of the electrical system is Mr. Ohm. In mechanical systems, the name of the genius is Mr. Newton. And the formula of Mr. Newton states that the force is equal to the mass times the acceleration. In hydraulic systems, the genius is Monsieur Pascal. Monsieur Pascal states that the force is equal the pressure times the area. And in electrical systems, the genius is Mr. Ohm. I think that the genius is Mr. Tesla. This is other discussion. And Mr. Ohm states that the voltage is equal the intensity times the resistance. If you check, those three formulas are basically the same formula. Mr. Newton formulated three formulas. The first three laws. The first law of Newton states that the force is equal to the mass times the acceleration. Let me explain something quickly. We are going to move the electricity, we are going to move the electrons in cables, in wires. How can I produce more resistance in the wire? How can I increase or decrease the resistance of the wire? Of course, if you increase or decrease the diameter of the wire. For that reason, this is the next couple of chapters, we need to calculate what is the gauge of the wire recommended for that model, for that pump. The following picture is excellent in order to understand what happened with the intensity, the resistance, the voltage, and the power, because the Ohm law states two important formulas. Follow me. Voltage is equal intensity times resistance, and also power is equal voltage times intensity. What is the unit of the power? Watts. We are going to study later. This is volts and this is amps. Alright. Okay, in this circle you found all the formulas possible to calculate the voltage, to calculate the resistance, to calculate the intensity and power. For example, you can say that the voltage is equal to the intensity times the resistance. We are going to study two types of current. We are going to study the DC current and AC current. The DC current is the current produced on the batteries. It's the current produced for electrochemical reaction. And the AC power, the power that you have in the outlets in your home, is a current produced for rotation of electromagnets. I'm going to study later that phenomenon. Yes, DC current is a straight current, is produced for batteries, and this is a current that can be stored and can be transported. And the AC current is a current produced for rotation of electromagnet. That current immediately is produced, can be used. It's not possible storage, the AC current. This is a main difference, and we are going to study later those type of current.